Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel Technical Rudra. So today we will learn how to install Notepad++. So to install Notepad++, you need to go in the Google Chrome. You need to go on your Google Chrome and download the file from the link in the description. So this will be the file link, and when you will click on that link, this type of page will appear, and you have to just click on download. I will just close this, and it will be started downloading. So it will just scan it. Scanned. So it will scanned, and as you can see, here it is. And I have downloaded 2 times, yes. So I will just extract it here. Extract to Notepad++ installer. So it has been extracted to Notepad++ installer. I will go in this folder and you will get this installer here. You have to just double click on it. Here it will come some yes option. You can't see it because it doesn't allow my computer. So yeah. You have to click on yes. Click on OK. We will run the setup file. And here it is, Notepad++ version 7.9.5. I will just next. I agree. And here will be the destination folder. It's only 10.7% 7 MB file, so you can download it. And please click on this also, like localization, ma'am. It will install all the desired languages you want. It will download all the languages like Afghanistani, Arabian, and all this. So you have to check this and click on next. Click on create shortcut on desktop, because so you can open from shortcut only, and it will install it. It's installing. It's downloading all the languages like Croatian, Czech, Dutch, and Esperanto, Estonian. By mistake, I should not click on that localization option, but please you click on that localization option. Nepali, Octagon, Polish, Portuguese, Punjabi, Romanian, Spanish, Tamil, Tatar, Telugu, Turkish, Urdu, Uzbek, Vietnamese, Zulu, and all the languages. And check on this and click on finish. So it will run Notepad automatically. So I will go here. So it has run the Notepad. I think so. It opened. Oh no! This is all the things that you can enhancement and bugs are fixed in it. So here it is. So here I can write any HTML code, like I will write a basic HTML code here. HTML header title. I will type here Technical Rudra and just close this. When I have closed the title, I will close the header, and now I will close HTML. So successfully wrote an HTML code. Now I will just save it. It's taking me to the system 32. I will save it in the desktop. I will select from your HTML, or it will be coming hypertext markup language. Yes, hypertext markup language file. Where it was. Yeah, here. Yes, this. And I will save this in this. I will just go in the desktop and save it there. And I have saved in there. And now I will just run this, and to run I will just open my Google Chrome. I can just go into my desktop and run it. I will just view my icons here. So here is a file name new one. I will just run this. So as you can see, it has been worked and changed the title to Technical Rudra. So yeah guys, we have successfully installed Notepad++ in it. So guys, I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.